Looks like there's something moving. It's not rotation. There's nothing over radar, but it kind of looks cool. It looks like it's the inflow to the storm, maybe.
Yeah, it's moving fast.
Because I saw an inflow cloud over there. It looks like it may have dissipated by now. But I know earlier there definitely was an inflow tail. Especially over there. That kind of maybe. Yeah, yeah, you could. Wider angle. We can only shoot with this camera for so long before we run out of storage and or video, so or battery, not video. That's the same thing, storage and video. Anyway, nothing too crazy yet. It does look like these storms are strengthening, especially now that it's morning. You know, we have surface heating starting to go on. You know, there definitely could be some severe potential with these. We already have a special weather statement, not like that's anything crazy. Tornado watch will be issued soon for the area. These storms are mean. That's an inflow tail, I think. That looks like an inflow cloud. Severe thunderstorm warning? Just now? Alright. What is the hazards?
Like Zilwaukee. No battery in it.
Wait, did it just say over, did it yell over the thing, or?
Yeah.
Severe thunderstorm. Yep, okay, we are centering in it. So right there, oh, that's kind of blurry, let me zoom out. So that's our severe thunderstorm warning right there for 1 inch hail, and that's really the main threat. So all the way down there. So we're gonna station camp here until those storms arrive, but look at this inflow. That is picking up substantially. Yeah, so the storms are definitely growing, I believe at least. They're strengthening, especially down here. I think we're just gonna stay here then for a little bit until that tornado watch is issued. I think then we're gonna blast south a little bit towards maybe Frankenmuth. From Frankenmuth, we'll station there for a little bit, somewhere in a field. Wait for the tornadic cells to come up to the northeast. Roll, but alright, anyway, I'm gonna end this. Tornado watch was just issued. Storms are definitely getting substantially darker and... No, it's not. Oh, no, it definitely is. Yeah, we should probably get going. Alright, we're relocating south of where we currently were, so that way we can get a better vantage point on the storm structure and not the hail and rain in them. Oh, I might have recorded it because we get a lot of flood water.
I'm filming on the GoPro right now. You can barely see out there.
Ooh, I missed that one. Well, this is why we keep it ahead. I'm just gonna keep it ahead from now on. Well, I might have gotten it, but I don't think I did. Lansing are moving up towards us. That could produce like 60-mile-an-hour winds, but those are headed towards like our house. So, oh, look at the floods. Oh, wow. Oh, that was over there. That was over there. Max, for you, I would go Super View. So you can get the most. Why do they have the Windows logo on their barn? Is that the Windows? I don't know. Starting to rain, I guess, a little bit. You can maybe hear it coming down on the barn roofs. Yeah, that is a mean looking sky. Oop, thunder. If you're lucky, you'll be able to see kind of the rain coming in over there. It's starting to scare me because that's a lot of rain. I'm gonna go put my phone inside real quick. You know, this probably isn't the safest idea, standing with basically what is a lightning rod under a tree. But I guess we're doing it for science. Can always get away with that. A lot of rumbles, but nothing other than that.
Smells like rain.
Yeah. Looks like rain too.
I wonder why it smells like rain.
I couldn't tell you, honestly.
I think the fire's gonna go out for good.
Yeah. Look at the road. It's like mist in a way. You know, sometimes all you need is something just like this that's just really crazy pretty for no reason, even though it shouldn't be. That's just a rainstorm that came through and I didn't even realize it. So, yeah. It's got some nice structure. I wanted it to have a rainbow. You can't really see it if there is. You can definitely see the rain. You know, I know we've had like tornadoes and stuff in Michigan already this year, and everything else that we've had, but like this feels like the first real storm of the year. And we got like maybe trying to be a shelf cloud over there, I don't really know. And then we obviously have the big old storm right there. There's even some turquoise in there, not very visible over the camera, but definitely in real life there's slight turquoise hue to it. Definitely some pea-sized hail. Not sure about really anything larger than that, but it's a pretty storm. Glad to be getting this on tape. Just had a shelf cloud here seconds ago, facing the west, but nothing anymore. Just some rain. So yeah, but it was a very pretty storm coming in. So some lightning. Even I'm gonna get in before I get struck, but see a turquoise hue up there. Not over camera, but in real life. Taking it that it's wet.
It's a little wet.